Assalamu alaikum students. In this video we will solve some of the questions of a past paper A-level mathematics May June 2019. Here is question number 1. In this problem we have to find the coefficient of x in the expansion of a binomial. We can easily solve this problem by using the formula of the binomial expansion. The formula will be given in FM19 formula list. Here we can see that the value of A is 2 over x, the value of B is minus 3x, the value of n is 5. When we put these values in the formula, we may have these 4 terms, the first 4 terms of the series. Here we can notice that it is the 4th term which involves x. So consider the 4th term only. Here we have the 4th term. Now we can use calculator to find the value of 5c3. Now simplify rest of the factors and multiply them to find the 4th term in simplest form. So the 4th term in simplest form is minus 1080 times x. So what would be the coefficient of this 4th term? It is minus 1080 as the final answer. Here it is question number 2. In this problem we have to find the y-intercept of the perpendicular bisector of line AB. It is good if we can sketch the diagram according to the given condition. Here it is. In this diagram, the line CM is the perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector is a line which passes through the midpoint and is perpendicular to the given line. The gradient of AB is minus 1 over 2. To find the gradient of CM, the perpendicular bisector, just take the negative reciprocal of this gradient. So we have m is equal to 2 as the gradient of line CM. For the point M, use the midpoint formula. So we have 5, 1 as the midpoint of AB. Now we have a point and the gradient of the line CM. So we can easily find the equation of this line using the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Now substitute these values in the formula. Here it is the equation of line CM. As we have to find the y-intercept, a point where the line cuts the y-axis, so we have to put x is equal to 0 in this equation. Hence we have y is equal to minus 9. So the coordinates of C are 0, minus 9, hence the final answer. Question number 3. In this problem, the gradient function and a point on the curve are given. The rate of change of x is also given, and we have to find the rate of change of y, that is dy over dt. For this, we can use the chain rule. That is dy over dt is equal to dy over dx times dx over dt. Here the value of dx over dt is already given, that is 0.05. We need only the value of dy over dx. For this, consider the gradient function. Now put the value of x, that is 2, in it to get the value of dy over dx. Now put this value and the value of dx over dt in the chain rule to get the final final answer, that is 0.35. That's the decreasing rate of x. Now for the second part of the question. In this part we have to find the equation of curve. To find the equation of curve, just integrate the gradient function. Here we have the constant of integration. To find the value of this constant, put the point 29 in this equation and find c is equal to 3. Finally, put this value of c in this equation to get the final answer, the required equation of curve. Question number 4. In this problem, we are given sin x is equal to a plus b and cos x is equal to a minus b. We have to show that a square plus b square is a constant. To prove this, we can use this formula. So, cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1. The formula will be given in formula FM19 formula list as sin x is equal to a plus b. Now taking square on both sides and simplify to get sin square x is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Also cos x is equal to a minus b. From this equation we have cos square x is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now adding these two equations, as we know that sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1, so the left hand side can be written as 1. Hence we have 1 is equal to 2a square plus 2b square. From this we can see that a square plus b square is equal to 1 over 2, a constant, hence the result. In second part of the question, we have to express a in terms of b, given that tan x is equal to 2. For this we use the fact that tan x is equal to sin x over cos x. Now put the value of sin x and cos x in the equation, and by making a as the subject of the equation, we have a is equal to 3b as required. Okay, in next video we will solve rest of the questions of the paper. Take care.